If you watched my video about kitchen cabinets and cleaning them and organizing them, as you see, I have a lot of cabinets. However, I keep my stuff in the cabinets because I don't like a lot of stuff on my counters. I don't have a lot of counter space, but what counter space I do have, I make good use of it, so I only put small appliances on it or dishes. I don't have room in my cabinets for these, so this is a good pot stacker. It's a good thing for you to have in your house, and you could put it on your cabinet. On your counter. You can put it in the cabinet too, but I don't have space for that. So, quick tasty tip of the day is use your countertop wisely. Everybody can see your counters. You want them to be presentable. You know, even your cabinets, they don't see what's in your cabinet, but you want it presentable to you.